Hello kids, welcome to Kids Science here at GBS TV Africa, where we learn, we laugh, and we explore. And now, let us continue learning alphabets in Kenyan Sign Language, and I am your teacher, Teacher Paul. From last lesson, we learned some alphabet. Do you remember? I hope you do, because today we are learning how to sign letter S, T, and letter U. And again, remember, when we are signing, we use our active hand, okay? So, to sign letter S, you use your active hand, okay? This, the right hand. Then you fold. You fold like this, like a fist, okay? Then, with this fist, you draw letter S, okay? With a fist, then you draw letter S. But letter S has two signs. You can either draw with a fist or holding a fist with your active hand. So you just do like this. You say S. Next letter, it is letter T. Letter T, you use your open palm, but now you use your thumb finger and this one, extended index finger. You straighten your thumb finger, then you put the extended index finger on top of the thumb finger, like that. Then you just turn like this. Again, open palm, okay? You use your thumb finger and the extended index finger. You straighten your thumb finger like this. Then you put the extended index finger on top of the thumb finger. Then you just turn like that. So this is letter T. So next letter, it is letter U. Letter U, use your open palm, then you use these two fingers. Just doing like this, this is letter U. This is letter what? Letter U. Let us now sign letter S, T, and U. Letter S we sign together. You use your fist, then you draw S. Again, you use your fist, then you draw S. Or you do what, kids? You just hold your fist like this. This also a sign for letter S. Next letter, it is letter T. Letter T, open palm. You use your thumb finger and extended index finger. You straighten your thumb finger. Then the extended index finger, you put it on top of the thumb finger. Then you turn like that. So this is letter T. The next letter, it is letter U. Letter U, you use also your open palm like this. Then you remain with just these two fingers. So this is letter U. So let us now sign these three letters simultaneously. So you use S, S, then T, again T, then U, again U. We sign those three letters again together. We say S, again S, then T, again T, then U, again U. So I hope you continue practicing these 3 letters that we have learned, and also practice the alphabets from letter A up to U. Okay? So until we meet again here at GBS TV, where we learn, we laugh, and we explore. I have been your teacher, Teacher Paul. Goodbye.